Hi, what if you got tons and tons of this stuff? It's too small to disassemble by hand, it takes too much time and effort. I think I have the solution. I present to you the Problem Solver 1.0. If you wanna see it run, stay tuned. But first, some safety rules. Always wear your visor, maybe also glasses underneath. Always have your gloves on at all times, of course. You always do that, right? Right? Never go past the machine on this side or this side. And never put your filthy hands down the blood tube. Never. Enough of the mom talk. Let's get scrappy. We'll be starting with these upper parts from contactors. Alright, as you can see, it's only version 1.0, so there's room for improvement. It has some problems with the copper coils. The contactor tops were completely separated, so that all the brass could be sorted out. We ended up with a bit of a mess with the small relays regarding the copper coils, while the rest looks fairly neat, although not completely separated, which could be counted with different hammers and a finder solder. The safety switches contains quite a bit of brass and iron and are perfectly separated, ready to be sold. The motor protections are also a bit of a mixed bag, perhaps requiring different hammers and a bit finer solder before it's a good product. The circuit breakers, especially the residual current devices, contain some pretty solid chunks that won't be separated in the current setup. And until we meet again, have a good one.
I just wanna have fun, turn around now.